Today, you held a Jana Ashirvada rally across the state. How was the response, sir?
No, today is the fourth day. It is a 4-day long Jana Ashirvada Yatra program. The Jana Ashirvada Yatra program is a program where ministers of the government of India go out to the people of India, and I have traveled 6 districts and over 800 kilometers to meet citizens, beneficiaries, our Karyakartas, and very clearly talk about the opportunities that India has, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji said on August 15, and the challenges that remain. That type of engagement with the people is very, very not only inspiring, but it energizes us to do more and more in terms of what goals of public service Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set up.
So how it has been from past few weeks after joining Narendra Modi cabinet?
No, it's very clear that for me it is a personal honor and an opportunity to serve the country as I have in the last 15 years. It is also an honor that I am able to represent Bengaluru in the government, in the Council of Ministers. And the challenges and the pace at which Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji makes his ministers work is truly inspiring. So it has been hard work, but it has been very satisfying work.
Sir, as the Ministry of State, what is your focus area, sir, in the days to come?
No, the 2 portfolios that I have responsibility for are information technology and electronics and skill development and training. Both those are aimed at empowering the youth and preparing the youth for the future, their future and our country's future. There are tremendous visions for the future that Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has laid down, and I hope to play a small part in helping our youth prepare for that future and exploit the opportunities.
Sir, and how was the response of the people after you got cabinet berth in the Modi government, sir?
No, I think the response has been as always. In every one of those last 15 years, the response to me has always been very supportive. The Karyakartas and the citizenry at large have been very supportive of my work and my efforts and my sincerity, and I hope it continues.
So what do you enjoy more, as an organizational person or a minister?
No, there is no difference in my mind between the two. Our ideology for development in the organization is the same ideology for development in the government. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas is our byline and our focus, both organizationally and as a government.
So what are your goals as a minister? Any specific targets that you have set for yourself?
No, the targets for my ministry and have been elaborated very clearly by our Honorable Prime Minister. Technology must deeply empower people of our country, change their lives for the better. Technology must improve governance, and skilling and development must create employability and employment opportunities for the future generations of our country.
So my final question is that earlier you spoke about when you improve the infrastructure, the manufacturing sectors will improve. How is that plan? What is your blueprint of that?
No, I think India has a tremendous opportunity to be a big player in the electronics manufacturing sector. We are already the second largest phone manufacturer in the world in just few years, thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's policies. And now he has a vision for us to broaden and deepen our electronics manufacturing capabilities in this country, and I hope to be a small part of that.